Hello! Welcome sa YouTube channel ko. This is Jerry Mendoza sa 8K Travel and Food Vlog. Gawa tayo ng pampano in a cream sauce. Gawin nyo ito with vegetable and cauliflower. And please watch my video and you will see how I made the pampano with the cream sauce. So I just prepared the ingredient first, and then we'll put it in some sauces. So please watch my video and you will like it. This is a very nice simple dish by Jerry Mendoza, 8K Travel and Food Vlog. So I learned this when I was cooking in the hotel. I work in a hotel and in a cruise ship for some time. So I learned how this some cook that I'll show it to you. So please stay with me and we'll show you all this cooking. At the end of the video, I'll put all the ingredients so you can follow my cooking. Thank you very much for watching. Please stay with me and I'll show you how I made this pampano with the cream sauce. So I just watch it. Just watch the vegetable when I was cutting. Just put a little vegetable, the carrots and the green pepper. So you can use green or yellow green pepper as much as you can. So this is only that I have in my. So I don't just have to waste the thing on there. So please stay with me and watch this video. Thank you very much.